If you want to view a user profile in ClickUp, let me show you a few ways how you can actually do this. So the first way is by simply finding those persons. Let's say you have a chat going on, or you're going to start a new chat. You can click on new chat and you can find a person who you want to speak to, click on them. And once the chat is ongoing, let's say you can actually view the person profile. So at the top here in the chat, you will see it says view profile, and you can click on that to actually view the person profile. It's going to open up on the left hand side, and so you can see the profile here, and you can even click view profile, which is going to open up the profile more for you to see. You also can chat with the person directly from there as well, but this is how you actually view someone profile. Now, another way or you can actually reach to this point to actually view their profile is, let's say you click your profile on the upper right hand side, go to settings, and under the settings section here, you click on people. So you click on people there, and you're going through the list, find the persons that you have on your ClickUp account. Once you hover over their name, you'll find the option to view profile. You also have the option to chat as well. So click on the view profile. It's going to expand this right side window here, and here you'll be able to view the person's profile. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.